In this program, I am representing a train using a doubly linked list. Each compartment is a node and the list allows movement forward and backward. First we have the node class. When a node is created, it will be storing the compartment code like C1, C2 and the type which is AC or non-AC and two links. One will be pointing to the previous compartment and one will be pointing to the next. Then we have the train DLL class, and in that it maintains a reference called a head which represents the first compartment in the train. If the head is none, that means the train is empty. Now we have four operations. One is add end and one is insert middle and next one is delete and next one is display forward. And in the add end, when the function is called, a new node is created. If the train is empty, that node becomes the head. If the train already has any compartments, the program moves through the list until it reaches the last compartment and then attaches the new compartment or new node there. Both the connections are updated, like the current last compartment next points to the new node, the nodes previous points back to the previous one. So there is one the next function is inserting at the middle. So this function searches for a compartment whose code matches with the user entered. If the list is empty, if the user given thing is empty, insertion is not possible. If the compartment is found, then the new node is linked between the compartment and the next one. So if so the new nodes next becomes the one that originally came after. The new nodes previous becomes the compartments we are inserting after. And if there was another compartment ahead, its previous link will also be updated. So the next one for deleting. So this is for the deleting. For deletion, when the function is called, it searches through the list for the matching code. If the compartment is found, if it is a head, it is updated to point the next compartment. If it is somewhere in the middle or end, then the previous and next links are updated so that the node is completely removed from the chain and the previous and head nodes doesn't cause any error. This is the display forward function, and when this function is called, it will be displaying all the compartments in forward manner from the head to the end. So this is for displaying it forward, and next one is for displaying it backward. It prints in reverse. The program first moves to the last compartment, then using the next it prints backward to the previous. So this is the then we'll be having the menu driven program. We'll be having five options. Each option will be calling each function. One is for the first function, then the second, then the third for deletion, fourth for forward, fifth for backward. We will be entering a choice, and if the choice is one, we'll be asked to write the compartment number and the compartment type. Then it will be pushed to first function. Then if we are typing the second choice, will be asked to enter the new compartment number and the type, and then after which compartment we need, and that will be taken as the node. And if we choose the third one, it will be asked to it will be asking us to give which compartment we need to delete. And if we choose option 4, it will be displaying forward, then it will be displaying backward, like that. So if we take the output of this, if I am trying to add a compartment, one is S1 and it is a non-AC, and I am again adding a compartment S3 non-AC, and I am displaying it forward. There is S1 and S3, and I am trying to add an S2 in the between S2, new compartment name non-AC, insert after which compartment S1. So if I display it now, it will be S1, S2, S3, and if I need to reverse it, I can press 5, S3, S2, S1, and these are the functions for this program. And thank you.